volume of a pyramid. Okay, how can you tell the difference between a prism and a pyramid again? What? Pyramid has a point, right? Pyramid all come to a point. So, for the volume of a pyramid, any guesses for what the formula is? Yep, some of you cheated. It is capital B times H divided by 3. Okay? So, we know what capital B stands for by now. What does that stand for? Okay, sorry. Capital B stands for what?
Base.
Area of the base. Okay, what does H stand for?
Height.
Height. How do we find the height of a pyramid? Where is the regular height of a pyramid at? It's right in the middle of that base all the way up to the point. Okay? What was the height that we were working with the other couple days?
Slant height.
That's slant height. Okay? This one, it just wants the regular height, not the slant height. Okay? So, let's do it. How do we find capital B? What's our base shape? Square, rectangle, okay? So we take base times height, which is 5 times 4, which is 20. Okay? Now we need to find the height. What's the height?
The height is
6. Yep. Now we plug it in. We have 20 times 6 divided by 3. So we have 1. What's 20 times 6?
20 times 6 is
120 divided by 3, which is
40.
40. What is my label? Feet cubed. Why is it cubed?
So we're trying to find the volume.
Because we're finding volume. Okay. Okay. B. We're doing the same thing. What's the base shape on this one?
It's a triangle.
It's a triangle. How do I find the area of a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
Good. Base times height divided by 2. What's the base and the height of my triangle? Careful of the base. 6 and 7. So we have 6 times 7 divided by 2. So we have 42 divided by 2, which is 21. Okay, now I need to find the height. How do I find the height? Go back to the picture. Yep, it's 8. So now plug it all in. We have 21 times 8 divided by 3. What's 21 times 8? 168 divided by 3, which is 56 meters cubed. Yep, good. Any questions over the formula? Are we becoming pros by now at what capital B means and how to solve formulas and stuff? Okay, go ahead and try 1 and 2 on this page on your own. Just 1 and 2. Leave number 3. Okay, remind me again, what's the formula for volume of a pyramid?
Area, base, times height.
Good. So what is our base shape on number 1? It's a square. How do I find the area of a square? Base times height, which is 6 times 6. So you get 36. Okay, now we find the height. How do I find the height?
With our fingers.
Go back to the picture. What is it? 7. Now we want to find the volume. So we take 36 times 7 divided by 3. What's 36 times 7?
252.
Thank you. 252 divided by 3 is 84 what? Inches cubed. Good. Okay, last one here, number 2. What's the base shape? Rectangle. Okay. How do I find the area of a rectangle? Base times height, which is 9 times 8. 72. Height, what's the height? 5. Now we find the volume. 72 times 5 divided by 3. What's 72 times 5?
360
360 divided by 3.
is 6. Yeah. Well,
120 what?
feet cubed.
Feet cubed. Okay. Any questions over the formula or different pieces of the pyramid?
Nah.
Okay.